Pozdrav ljudi, ovdje mu Sak Gamer i dobrodošli u nov Walkthrough Resident Evil 5. Znači sad će da ide serijal Resident Evil 5, ću da snimam totalni walkthrough cijele igrice. A što se tiče Minecrafta, ne brinite, nisam zaboravio, stići part 6, tako da očekujte ga vrlo brzo. I idemo. Ćemo malo. Dobro. I sad će da vidimo. Igrao sam jedan put, ali to je bilo davno. Znači kad budu išle ovakve scene, će da čuti da vi možete da pratite.
Captain Deshant here. We secured the underground route to the coordinates.
Wow. Koji početak. Znači igrica se zbiva u Africi. Kao neki... Ne znam, ja mislim.
I should have seen it coming. It didn't take long after the fall of the Umbrella Corporation for their bioweapons to end up in the hands of terrorists. A new era of bioterrorism descended upon vulnerable countries, shifting the balance of power throughout the region. People in the destabilized areas soon feared another incident like Raccoon City was inevitable. As panic spread, governments of the world turned to the Global Pharmaceutical Consortium, which formed the anti-terrorism unit BSAA. Operatives of the BSAA were sent to infiltrate and neutralize bioterrorist hotspots, restoring safety and stability to various regions around the globe.
Welcome to Africa. My name is Sheva Alama.
Chris Redfield.
Your reputation precedes you, Mr. Redfield. It's an honor.
Just Chris, thanks. So you'll be accompanying me to the destination?
Yes. Tensions are running high ever since the change in government.
I'll bet. Intel says it's a haven for terrorists now.
And I'm not going to be happy to see an American, BSAA or not. That's why I'm your partner. Help put them at ease.
Well, I'm sure you'll do just fine. Partner.
Da, taj Jill Valentine inače
You okay?
partner od ovoga Redfielda.
Yeah, sorry. It's nothing. Let's go.
I ranije igrice
Casualties continue to mount over the long years I've struggled. More and more I find myself wondering if it's all worth fighting for. Maybe one day I'll find out.
Hey! Huyo ingenti, anafanya nini hapa?
You don't have to get touchy. Let's go.
There is one thing I do know. I have a job to do, and I'm gonna see it through.
Chapter 1.
This is Kirk. Chris, Sheva, can you read me?
Chris here. Coming in loud and clear, Kirk.
Yes, we read you.
There's a black market weapons deal going down in Kijuju. That's where Irving will be. The Alpha team has already infiltrated the area, and you will be going in as backup. Rendezvous with your contact at the butcher's shop. You can gear up and get briefed on the mission there.
Here we go.
Watch your backs.
Roger that.
Copy. Over and out.
Mapa.
Na wasaliti wote walete kwa wenye mamlaka. Ukipata
Boja tišina.
Ah, Chris Redfield. Go around to the side door.
Koji feja.
Chris, this way.
Gdje si, Arab?
Good, you're both here. Come.
Kam?
You too. This way. Maybe because of the new government, the people around here are a little on edge. You should do what you came here to do and go home.
Yeah, they really roll out the red carpet for us Americans.
I have your weapons for you here. Check them. Grab your weapons.
sad ovdje nema
The
bazuka u
operation's
ovom
already
okviru,
started.
idem kući. Razumeš? Ovdje sad ovo nema bazuka, idem sad tebi uvijek, može? Nema bazuke, sad ide tu. Dođi ja. Dođi ja. Sad da te ubijem. Spasio. O, lepe, lepo.
Destination coordinates?
Town square's up ahead. Go through there. Alpha team's waiting at the deal location.
Good.
What do you know about Ouroboros?
Mostly just rumors. Something about visions of a doomsday project.
Doomsday sounds about right, and apparently it is no rumor.
You're kidding, right?
You must find the man named Irving. He is our only lead.
Da sam te da nađem kao Irvinga.
And be careful out there.
Okej. Ali još sam besan što nisam dobio bazuku. O, lepo. Jok ni izgleda pokoje.
Remember, we're a team. Whatever happens, we stick together.
Don't worry. I may not be as big as you, but I can still hold my own.
Poi to tamo. Tamo mi. Ovdje možda.
Did you hear that? It came from that building.
Ne.
Freeze!
Are you okay?
What the hell just happened?
They didn't move like any zombies I've ever seen.
We should keep moving. They'll find us soon. We need to get out of here. We need to get to that house. We'll have a better chance of fighting them from there.
Come in, Kirk. The locals were hostile and we had to use force. We don't have any contingency plans for this situation, do we, Kirk?
Roger on the locals, but your orders still stand.
What does that mean? Was HQ expecting this?
You don't know what you're talking about! You can all go to hell!
Wait a minute. That's the...
People! For what? Now we are
Come in! The locals are hostile! The gate is sealed, and we're trapped! We need backup, and we need it right now!
Roger that. Just sit tight. I'm on my way.
Did you hear that, Sheva? Help's on the way.
Got it. I just hope he gets here quick.
Gotta hold out till Kirk gets here.
I'll be there shortly.